And let me take this opportunity to invite Mr. Suman Kumar Sahu. Mr. I see
Yes,
Suman
sir.
Sahu here. Yeah, Suman Sahu is a Fisheries Extension Officer and has developed a large number of fish farmers by taking innovative initiatives at the grassroots level. Implemented family farming farm school under Atma scheme Haldia, which is first in what you call in this region. Mr. Suman has introduced various fishes for the first time in the state of West Bengal and implemented diversified fish farming systems by introducing commercial farming of at the field level. Motivating. As columnist Sumar Sahu writes various articles on practical experience on fish farming in popular newspapers and in magazines. He has been honored by the memorial by director Sifa Bhuvaneshwar and also received Excellence Award University, Purulia, Bengal, IAS. I invite Mr. Suman Kumar Sahu for his presentation. Over to Sahu, please. Mr. Sahu, may I request you to complete your session in another 15 minutes, please? Minutes.
So my slide will be shared, or sir, I have to share?
I will share it.
Okay, sir.
In the meanwhile, you can just start.
Okay, sir. Thank you. First of all, it's me a really great opportunity to deliver a presentation at the International Conference on Agricultural Extension and Advisory Service Innovation to Impact, organized by Manage. I am Suman Kumar Sahu. I want to topic on case studies on family fish farming recorded in Haldia block, West Bengal, through new concept of extension method, family fish farm school in Atma scheme. Actually, the family-based farming concept in the international arena is a very popular concept. But in the first time in our subcontinent, it was held at Haldia under Atma scheme, the Fishery Family Farming Farm School. The school was set up and being trained to the rural fishery families. After that, they became interested in diversified farming system, and they are interested in organic farming. Actually, we all know when everything goes to hell, the people who stand by you without flinching, they are your family. And it's also proven in the field of fish farming sector. The good example is Haldia. Generally, fishery training provided for men or women separately. But subject things that are discussed in the training, it may not be possible for family members to implement much of the disagreement among themselves. So if family members are trained together, especially both husband and wife are trained together, then training issues are properly applied. And this theme we applied in this new concept of family farming system. This after this family farming farm school, we have noticed the changes in the fishermen community that interest in species diversification. They are interested in variety type of new species that such as Amur common carp, Tengba fish, the state fish of Manipur. Recently, they are found the Liviophium ratus, we call Dakinapte Rui, and another milk fish, Gift tilapia, Jayanti Rui, etc. They are also interested in organic farming. They are practicing a traditional method. This is very much popular in this region. This is organic juice. This is very much effective for low cost, high production in fishery sector for business purpose, commercial purpose. And they are also utilizing the resource such as dike. They are utilized for their various type of plants such as ornamental plant also. And they are introducing fishery sector with integrated farming concept. We later discuss with some example of the farmer. Next. Such as Mr. Sharad Chandra Bhomik. Sharad Chandra, 48 years old, is a progressive fish farmer in Haldia block in Basanchok village. First of all, he ran a betel wines business for almost 5 years. But after then, he decided to farming in invest in fishery sector, decide to farming in fishery. He interested in diversified fishery. In the first time in our state, he started the fish like Pengba fish. This is a state fish Manipur produced by SIFA Bhubaneswar. He collected seed and farmed successfully. After in this session, Dr. Pratap Chandra sir is coming here to train the farmer and also collaborate various type of fishery training also. And the Sarat Chandra Bhowmik, not only Pengba, she introduced Amur Cup, she used the culture, the Labiophyme baratus, and also using the organic juice for producing more fish in this farming system. He has also dark-cum fishery unit, horticulture unit. So overall, as a composite integrated farming manner, he run the farming sector. Next, please. Also, another endangered fish in our Bengal, this is the Pabda. Not only Pabda, Magur, Singi, Tengra also. He successfully cultured the Pabda fish in polyculture mode. The motto is the restoration of endangered fishes in commercial farming. It's a really great significant. And also this type of story is published in several newspapers also. And he introduced an innovative concept for Pabda farming in the nursing phase. He introduced the mud handi, but decimal 5 number of handi is using for nursery phase and getting a more than 80% survivability of Pabda seed. This is a really land-based experience which is used for the farming of such type of endangered species for commercial purpose. Next, please. And also, I have forgotten that Sarat Chandra Bhowmik, he has recognized as a best fish farmer from SIFA Bhubaneswar. If he also facilitated for that. Another farmer, Mr. Minmoy Samanto, he's living in Dariberia village in the Haldia block. He's only a Madhyamik pass, but he interested in farming system. He first time he cultured the Amur Cup. The fish we are brought from in Atma scheme from Karnataka Fishery Research and Information Center from Bangalore. And it's the first time in our West Bengal farming this type of fish. Within 5 months, the fish weight in 1.5 kg. And not only Amur Cup, various type of fishes like Jointy Rui, Pengba, and other IMC also he introduced in farming system. And he also successfully implement our government fishery scheme also like multiple stocking, multiple harvesting. He also recognized by our state as a best fish farmer, as a Kriti Krisak from the Madi Utsav. And he is a really good icon for other farmers to motivate such type of diversified farming. Next, please, sir. And the story of this farmer also published in several Bengali newspapers like Anandabazar Patrika, like Bortoman. Next, please. Another fish farmer, Sudip Bikas Khatua, he interested in IMC farming. He interested in various endangered species in our Bengal also. He introduced Amur Cup in his fishery, but not only the IMC but other fish, he also interested in ornamental fish. He set up a small ornamental fishery breeding and rearing unit, a backyard in site of his home. And now he became a self-sufficient and continuously culturing fish in the integration of horticulture. He received the National Best Fish Farmers Award from Central Inland Fishery Research Institute, Barakpur. This is one of the best example which encouraged the other fish farmers, and this topic has also published in several newspapers. Next, please. Another farmer is the Arati Bormon, is the woman fish farmer. Arati Bormon is associated with family fish farming. He also kept contact with the fishery department of Haldia block. Initially, at a young age, she was selling the ghugni muri at the local melas to run their family. He belongs to a poor rural family. He decided to cultivate the fish farming, and after that, she attended various training programs in our fisheries department, and then she cultivate fish farming, and day by day, year by year, he expanded his farming system, and now he is a big progressive fish farmer, and also recognized as a Mean Mitra Award from our state as a best fish farmer in our state. And he also introduced not only IMC, various type of fish in his culture system, and this also recorded some newspaper also. Next, sir. Even through this, next. Another farmer is Rangolal Samanto. Rangolal Samanto integrated the livestock, fish and horticulture in one plot. He utilizes pond dike as a utilizing integrated manner. He is just HS first farmer of village of Kastokali of Holdia block. He successfully implemented the genetically improved farm tilapia. The experimental trial run by Department of Fishery, Government of West Bengal. This farmer is associated with family farming. All family are engaged in the fishery sector. That's why they improving the fish farming business day by day. He also joined various training programs run by Fisheries Department and enhanced the efficiency of his work, and has also improved the integrated fish cultivation by implementing various government projects. This is also another good example to encourage other fish farmers. They are also interested in such type of new species culture in their cultural system. This topic has also published in several newspapers such as my newspaper dated 1/5/2018. Next slide. Another farmer is Subroto Maiti. Subroto Maiti is an energetic, optimistic farmer from Chaulkola village of Holdia block. Initially, he started farming of a Vietnam koi and another small indigenous fish in only small pond in just backside of our house. Initially, he started a breeding program in own house, in own interest. But after that, he take a training program from our department. Also, he get a training from SIPA Bhubaneswar. And lastly, he get a hatchery in Blue Revolution scheme. It is one of the best example of fishery fish family farming. Both husband and wife, they are attending the training program in ICR SIFA, and also they are run this they are also now in Holdia various type of fishes like Amur, Pingba, and along with IMC and endangered species like Pabda, Koi, Magur. Now he started to breed such type of fishes, and in our locality, farmers are now easily getting the fishes from their hatchery. This hatchery is made now already successfully running, and we target to train another unemployed youth to train the youth for their self-sufficiency in hatchery program system. We will be training so far. Next, sir. Another farm is Narayan Bormon. Narayan Bormon also involving in fishery family farming system. Not only his wife, his son and daughter-in-law, he also engaged in fishery family. All family are engaged in family sector. There are 40 bigha fisheries situated in Daribedia village, Holdia block. He also recognized as a best fish farmer in our state as a Mean Mitra. He successfully implemented RKVI scheme in an intensive fish farming manner. He also utilized his pond dike, various type of ornamental trees. He improved the integrated fish cultivation by implementing various government project also. And not only IMC, he also introduces such type of new species and also culture endangered species in a polycultural manner. This is also a best example to encourage the other fish farmers to motivate. Whatever we talk in training program is the practical example to motivate some other farmers also. Next, sir, please. Last but not least, Mr. Krishna Prasad Samanto. He's also a versatile fish farmer. Not only freshwater, he had interest in brackish water also. He farming a milk fish. He brought this fish from Siba, Chennai. He also culture freshwater system, Pengba, Amur. Also he cultured in integrated manner. He duck-cum fishery also set up. He also successfully implemented demonstration center in MSMH concept. These farmers also recognized by SIPA Bhubaneswar as a best farmer for their highest production. The farmers have encouraged other fish farmers also. As a result, cultivation of this fish is being expanded. As a result, many more farmers are turning to diversified farming. This topic has been published in several newspapers. At the end, it's a list. So only some few fish farmers, but now until 26 to 2021, if I see the many more farmers are already interested. These farmers are really an icon for them. And lastly, I want to say the Holdia fish farmer really established that if we culture in a diversified manner, if we culture in method of organic farming, if we using the organic juice, it will be more profitable for farmer also, and it is helpful for us who are consuming the fishes for our livelihood. Thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Mr. Suman Sahu. Very interesting presentation. Do we have any questions on Suman Sahu's presentation, please?
No, sir.
Yeah.